I just made it here, y'all, and it's getting ready to rain. Talk to us, Slime. They got a pump. The macaroni and cheese. Think we need to let it burn a little bit more?
That's what I'm saying. Definitely need a little more crispy.
Let it burn just a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, who's seasoning this? Hey, what is up, Slime Pack Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another, I was about to say trucking vlog. So many times I done had to restart this intro, but welcome back to another, maybe hometown vlog, y'all. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this video. I'm not sure at all. I'm gonna have to just put stuff in here and there, put stuff in here and there, because I just been randomly recording whenever I felt like it. But today that I am recording this video, it is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving 2020-24. We here at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And I think my aunt is here. She with her family, and then we got my grandma, my mama, my brother. That's what I'm gonna be eating with, you know, my immediately family, like the family that I used to live in a household with. We're gonna be having dinner together, but a short little history moment. Before COVID hit, we used to have Thanksgiving at the beach like every single year. I think we did it for like 5 years, I think. And I don't think my family been back to the beach since then. Well, my grandma and my mama. Well, mainly my grandma. But yeah. So this is the first time that everybody is back at the beach together as a family. It ain't the whole family, because now y'all know family ain't what it used to be. It's like everybody that got their own family within their household, they doing their own thing. But still, we here with some family and we getting ready to go eat. It is currently like 10 a.m. and my family, we eat early. Like, they start prepping food Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning. The food is ready, and the food is already ready. Usually my job is to do the yams and the carve the turkey, but I ain't been able to do none of that. So we getting ready to leave my hotel because I had to stay at a different hotel, because whenever they book their stuff, they ain't have enough room for me, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna come. But I had to do a lot of thinking, taking advice, and yeah, it's money to be made out there on the road, but also you can't make up that lost family time. So yeah, y'all, we're getting ready to go eat Thanksgiving dinner, and I don't know what's next to come. Make sure y'all like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, subscribe, and let's go. Alright, y'all, so we getting ready to go to the car, and we're in the parking garage. And if you're a true car person, then you already know, if you got a good sounding exhaust, the parking garage is going to just make you happy. So yeah, we about to get this cold start. So this is the area I was recording my little intro in. It's their little media area. It's pretty cool. I think I should put my videos on these computers. Let's see what we can do. Surf the web. Let's use Google Chrome. YouTube. And I know it ain't gonna pull up my recent videos, because I don't know why it does that on like public computers. Wow, it did. Dang, they fooled me. Turn it down a little bit. Let that ad play. Let's get this one up. Get this one up and running. Come on. Cause we gotta hurry up and go eat. I'm gonna let the video that I dropped before that video play on this one. Got this one. Now it's time to go do this one. Hurry up. Alright, we got my video on all 3 computers. Let me see, I'm gonna skip the ad on. Wait, what y'all doing? What y'all doing? Go back. There we go. Skip the ad on this one. Oh, so these computers gonna lock anyway. Hey, what is up, Slime Pack Nation? Welcome back. That's crazy. Let me see, can I cut it off doing the settings? Nah. As soon as I get back home, I'm gonna decorate my tree. They got their tree decorated. Oh yeah. I really want some coffee. Wait. No way. That's not Starbucks. Ain't no way. Is that Starbucks for real? Like, ain't no way. No way. Hey, how's it going? Hey, do y'all do like the full fraps?
Yes.
Y'all got all the syrups?
Not all of it, but almost everything.
Brown sugar?
Yes.
Pecan?
No.
No pecan? Cool. Y'all got dark caramel?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, sorry.
Thank you. Yeah, I would have still got some anyway, but I don't even have my wallet, and I left my phone over here. Like, left it right over here on the desk. But they got a partial Starbucks. Alright, now, let's go for real. But I definitely got to get me some coffee before somebody have a bad day. Alright, so we're in the parking garage now. We're getting ready to get that good start up. Now, tell me why my camera stopped recording. We're going to do it again. Because my camera stopped recording. We got to do that again. Yeah. They're going to pop. Alright, y'all, so somehow I just happened to pop up here.
Good morning, what can we get started for you?
Hey, good morning, how's it going?
Doing well on yourself?
Pretty good. Can I get a venti caramel ribbon crunch frap?
Of course, what else for you?
Can I get that with almond milk?
Do you still want the whipped cream?
Yes, please.
Okay.
4 shots of espresso. 5 pumps of brown sugar syrup. 4 extra of the dark caramel sauce. 5 pumps of the pecan syrup. Can we do extra ice so it's not watery?
Yeah.
Line the cup with caramel. Extra crunch toppings. Y'all see I said something different. I meant to tell y'all in my home blog, they discontinued the toffee nut. So we had to go with something else. So when y'all do the order, say pecan syrup in place of the toffee nut.
Did you want to use any of your stars today or save them?
I save them. We could do that. We could do that. Alright, just made it here, y'all. And it's getting ready to rain. Thank you.
Good floor?
Same floor.
Okay.
How's your day going?
Huh? Oh, it's great. I've been looking for a shark's tooth for like 3 years. I finally found one today.
Very good.
Yeah.
It's right this ain't it? It's going down. Oh. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Got your phone? Yo. Smell like collard greens in here. What's up, Grandma? You feeling better today? It's a little warm in here.
I got the perfect view.
What we looking at, like? Slime pack at the beach. But I ain't going nowhere near that beach water.
Grandma couldn't go on the side. She had to cut it on the top.
My job is to cut the turkey. Hey, listen, y'all. We listen and we don't judge. You know how to play that game, Grandma? When I carve the turkey, I eat all the skin off the turkey. What you gonna say?
We gonna stop lying, yo.
I'm gonna cut this out.
Boy, what my baby mama?
Let me see if this turkey's seasoned
Go ahead
good.
and tell them, Mom. Got jokes, yeah. So did you know about this?
Hold on. Let me see if this turkey seasoned good. Grandma, I know how to cut and edit my videos.
That's why I'm gonna tell you what edit out, don't edit it out.
Okay, who seasoned this?
Who always do?
Okay. That turkey ain't done, baby.
Mm-hmm. That takes a bus.
It ain't tender. Nah, we good.
So what you got to?
I'm about to stop the camera. Yeah. The macaroni and cheese. Think we need to let it burn a little bit more?
That's what I'm saying. Definitely get it crispy.
Let it burn just a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay.
You can't do nothing. You ain't got no cabbage.
And I meant to bring that cabbage for you.
That's right.
I sure did. Yeah, they can go somewhere.
Well, I told her it needs to be a little more brown.
Who got some, what's that, Stella Rose?
Yeah, that's me.
Dang, man.
Yeah.
Not the black.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
So we drinking Stella for dinner?
Yeah. No, I don't.
Alright. You know I'm clumsy. You trying to be on the vlog? Huh? Got something you want to say to YouTube?
Yes, sir. I had something I want to say to you. I thought I was the only person in the family that loved country music.
Oh,
Now,
yeah.
I play country music. You get my vehicle, if it ain't on gospel, it's on country. That's all I play, those two.
Country music, that's that good old music.
Yes, it is. I love me some good country music.
Got something you want to say to the people?
I hope everyone has had a happy Thanksgiving. Because I'm going to tell you, I done sat here and done ate so much food and got so full. Now I got to drive back down the road and I don't want to go. Y'all have a wonderful one.
Yep. Got to say something to the vlog, Paul?
I said, make that money.
Made that money? Oh, okay. You want to say something to the vlog? No, you tired. Dinner was good, y'all. Now, I'm about to hit the road to head back home. I got about like a hour and a half drive. I might go home or go to another house. Alright, y'all, so we're at a second location for Thanksgiving, and then after that, I'm headed home. What y'all playing? Catch? Okay. There you go, they got the ball. You missed it. Trying to be cute.
Where it go?
Right there, all the way on the other side of the truck. Tell her hurry up. Say hurry up. Say hurry up.
Okay, hurry up.
You want to say something for the vlog? Look at yourself. Say hey.
Hey.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Give me.
Right there, up under the truck. You see yourself? Pretty? It's pretty.
Alright, come on. Ready? Yeah. Oh, my shit!
Oh, she gonna throw it big.
I ain't lying.
You want to say something for YouTube real quick? You want to say something for YouTube real quick?
Everyone's asking.
I don't even know what to say.
You don't know what to say?
No.
You ain't got nothing to say to the people.
Hey, look, this is Jazz Page. Look,
Whatever
hey,
you love,
I
find it on
front her.
eBay. Things, people.
Anything
Order for Jennifer C.
with that
This is
trucking
double shot,
business,
double
I don't
fruit,
know
double
about
cup,
it.
double whip,
But
double
hey,
sleeve.
she
And
learning
yeah,
and
can
she
you
know,
handle that much caffeine?
right?
Did you know Discover
Right?
automatically doubles all the cash back you earn at the
Let
end
it
of your
be.
first
Let
year?
it be. That's what you got to say to the people.
Seriously,
Let
did
it
you
be.
know?
And when
All right,
hey,
man.
As long as you learning, it goes a long way.
Trying to get out there on the road?
Oh, I wish. I wish. No, I drank too much.
You drank too much?
Yeah.
What you got in your hand now?
Bud Light.
Bud Light.
Yes, ma'am.
Protection for your cat or dog. Because there's nothing
Y'all coming to the house?
What y'all doing at the house?
Put it back in the refrigerator. It's a bottle of.
You want to be on the channel?
Yeah, what's up? What's
Go ahead and say something.
on? Slime Pack Nation.
You want to be on it?
What's going on?
Hold on. I know you're going to want to see how you look, so there you go.
Hey guys, so it's Thanksgiving 2024 and the queen is here. So that's all.
Yes,
You ain't got nothing you want to shout out?
So shout out. I only got a TikTok, so shout out to my TikTok. Actually, I forgot the name. But when you see my face, just know.
Is it recorded? Say something for the YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another one.
Damn, that was short and sweet.
Y'all get something to eat?
We get something to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got something to eat.
Jazz fucking retarded, man.
What?
I mean, from here.
Oh, no, I ain't getting nothing. Oh, I ate some cake.
Some cake.
Yeah, I ate some cake.
Man.
Slime Pack Nation. Today is the next day from Thanksgiving. And y'all, I'm happy I came home for Thanksgiving, was able to spend time with family and eat some good food. Like, food was amazing. I had to tell my grandma and my mama them, like, that's the best Thanksgiving food they ever made. They food always good, but I didn't think that it could get even better. But yeah, my Thanksgiving was amazing. I enjoyed everybody that I was around. So hopefully y'all Thanksgiving was good. But today is the day after Thanksgiving, and we getting ready to go do a little bit of Christmas shopping. I want to have my place fully decorated before I leave and hit the road. I'm leaving tomorrow or Sunday. So I already been doing like shopping online. I got packages already here, but it's like little things that I need to go pick up. I'm gonna try to have my best friend to tag along. Hopefully we can get her to interact with the video. So yeah, y'all, let's get ready to go. Y'all already know the first stop gonna be Starbucks. Like, come on now, y'all already know that. 4 points of the pecan syrup.
So we are unfortunately out of pecan. Oh, my bad. You said 1 pump of pecan?
4.
4? Okay.
Can I do extra ice so it's not watery? Thank you. So I'm in the mall, and I don't know how I forgot. Today is actually Black Friday. I forgot. Like, they've been doing Black Friday sales. I thought everybody got their stuff offline, but everybody is out. Yo, I asked her to come Christmas decorating shopping with me. How we end up in the children's store, the children play store? Like, I don't got no kids. I'm looking for decorations. But y'all peek the drip. Y'all see the slime pack hoodie? Yeah. Extra small. Y'all. So this stuff is 50% off for sweatpants. The original price, $24. So you mean to tell me paying $12 is a sale? No, that's a scam. You can go to Walmart and get the original price with no sale for like $8 or $9. People be going crazy on Black Friday when in reality, you really ain't saving nothing. What? Go ahead. Alright, y'all, she just spent like $42 in there. What all you get? 2 pair of jeans? Yeah. How many shirts? 3 shirts. $42. That is not a sale. That is not a sale. You could have got it cheaper at Walmart without a sale. You don't care, huh?
No. It is what it is. You didn't want to go on Yankee Candle?
Yankee Candle? Nah, I'm good. Only get...
There's not no sale. 7 pennies for 35. Y'all used to do 10.
Where we going? Charlotte? Oh, okay.
Every 20 minutes on off. 50% off the entire store.
Simply Southern. That's my kind of style. I'm more of a like laid back country dressing kind of girl. I'm gonna come in Simply Southern after we get out of there. Charlotte. I just come in here for some sweatsuits. Look at the Grinch stuff. Copyright, copyright, copyright. Alright, y'all, so second store. No Christmas decorations. Ain't my fault. It's my fault. I got some clothes. Didn't really need it, but I want it. Oh, we ain't going to Simply Southern?
Oh.
What?
We are getting Christmas decorations.
Simply Southern got Christmas decorations.
You getting distracted.
Let's go back to Simply Southern real quick. Hey, come on. We're gonna get to the Christmas decoration, y'all. Shoes ain't got a bit of cushion to it. We're going, huh? Oh, the price? We're going back to the clearance rack. We're going back to the clearance aisle. Yo, Yankee bag is in there. Excuse me. Let's cut around here. Leaving out of Simply Southern, they didn't have not nothing. You say we need to go in there?
Yeah, we get some earrings.
You just said Christmas decorations. Earrings ain't got nothing to do with it.
Well, why are we at a mall? We need Christmas decorations.
I don't know why we came here. I thought they had some decorations.
No, you did.
I thought they had decorations. All right, what we doing now? What we doing now?
We're going Foot Locker.
Foot Locker. Foot Locker down by H&M.
Oh, this way.
What's in Foot Locker?
Just need to see. You don't need to go in H&M?
Do I need to? Trying to get me with the H&M. Trying to get me with the H&M because you know I like that dressy style. But what's in Foot Locker?
Shoes.
For who?
We might need to go on American Eagle. We keep seeing all
No,
these bags.
no American Eagle.
Well, we don't need to get them all.
Well, we getting ready to get out of the mall. Let's go. Turn around. I bet you ain't turning around though. Oh, okay. You still walking.
I was just trying to see what they got. We might need to be in there.
Take you back to the house.
Come on, let's go on to Foot Locker.
Let's go to H&M first.
Let's see. That's a shame.
I ain't going to there because I don't need to buy no more clothes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Come on up here this way.
All right. They packed. They ain't got nothing. I can already see from the door. I don't know, y'all. These New Balance look pretty good. I wish they had more of that cream color in there. They look good though. All right, Macy's. What? I'm thinking we get ready to get further out the mall. We digging deeper into the mall. Just because they coming out with bags don't mean it's what we want to spend money on. But you're still going anyway, huh? No. We came in by J.C. Penney's. We're not going to find nothing in here. It's too high. Oh, I could get me some more earrings.
Oh, okay.
Are the same ones I got on.
You got that perfume on sale?
They got it on sale in the TikTok shop. The same perfume.
No, it's not.
It
No,
is the
it's
same
not.
perfume.
I think this is where I got
Got it cheaper on TikTok shop. I'm telling you. What's that? $140?
No, it was only like $14.
Wait, you got him some polo?
No,
Oh.
I got them from. If I see it in here, I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, okay. Here, record me just walking. Just walking around.
We need to find us some good perfume in here. I know we can.
I'm gonna walk in front of you. Where you going? Huh?
I'm trying to see what they got. Look at some jewelry or something.
The jury all the way up to the front. Now this one I'm talking about, this is good prices. $9.99. What's the original price? $34.99? Now that's a Black Friday sale right there. And it's got a little cushion on there. These 50. These ugly, ain't it?
They're not super
They
ugly.
ain't my style.
They are right. Those are the Guess ones are real cute.
This look like some janitor boots, like that material.
Look at these.
Now, that's a boot right there. How much is it? You don't got no price.
It's saying 40 to 50% off, but I don't see the original price.
You don't need that no tag where you can scan it.
Pick up another boot. No?
They between 69 to 129. Yeah, them boots bad right there. I really like that. Finally, we done made it to some Christmas decorations, y'all. I didn't record, but we was at Dollar Tree, and I grabbed some stuff out of Dollar Tree. Now, probably get some ornaments out of here. Doing black ornaments. The theme is Grinch. So, yeah, ornaments. Some more little things. Oh, ribbon pieces. Yeah, I'm gonna do my looking at. I'm gonna tune back in. We're gonna carry it. Alright, Slime Pad Nation, so I don't know how, but we're getting ready to walk into a Best Buy. I've never been inside of a Best Buy on a Black Friday. Never. It's like you can't even get in here in the parking lot. Let's see if they really got any. Hey, good in you? How much? $3.99. That ain't no deal. Y'all, these TVs been in here for the past, what, a year or two? Still ain't got rid of all of them. What's this? It might. You know, everybody gonna be over here patting around the Apple section. Excuse me. What's the Black Friday deal? Let's see if this really a deal. This is not a Black Friday deal. This is the original price. Y'all, nobody is over here looking at the Android stuff, and Apple section is packed. Apple almost played out now. Well, this 65, what, $2.99? They might have a little deal today. Ew. That's why.
Here you go. Sony.
Oh. Cameras. They got the Insta 360, $2.99. They don't got this camera on sale. This is the camera that I'm using right now. Look at the price. Where? Nah, that's the 3. See that price? No. The one I got is older. See? Y'all, these is not no deals. Black Friday deals. This is not no Black Friday deals that people was once fighting over stuff for. Leaving out of Best Buy with no bags, no new cameras. That stuff really ain't no sale, and the line's too long. Alright, so leaving out of Burlington, I got me some Christmas pictures because the decor that I got on the wall ain't gonna match with my decorations. Y'all see the sun going down, and we finally getting to the real reason we out. What you got to say for yourself?
No, we not, because she got clothes.
Oh my God! We gonna cut there. All right, now we at Hobby Lobby. This is the last stop for tonight. Been shopping, I ain't gonna say non-stop. We did have a little break, but so far I got everything that I'm gonna get for right now. Just a little bit of finishing touches. Some stuff I'm gonna have to order off Amazon and put up whenever I get back home. So as y'all can see, today is a new day. My day been started. I done got up, did laundry, cleaned up, all that stuff. And we get ready to go have lunch a little bit with some older, younger people. And where we eating at, I really don't think they gonna enjoy the food. But they want to give it a try, so why not? Today, I already said today is Saturday. I'm supposed to be leaving Monday. I was gonna leave tomorrow, Sunday, but DHL playing around with my package. I had to order a new drone, and my drone was supposed to be in here Wednesday. Then it's supposed to got here Friday. Now they got my package on hold. DHL don't deliver on the weekends, and they don't open here until Monday at 11 a.m. So I need my drone. I done got used to having my drone with my content. But anyway, y'all, come along with me and let's finish enjoying this vlog. And I'm gonna try not to do no shopping today. I'm gonna try not. I got a lot of Christmas decoration done yesterday, but y'all ain't gonna be able to see that until my Christmas party video. So yeah, y'all, let's go. All right, y'all, so change of plans. We didn't go to the original place we was going to. We here at Texas Roadhouse now.
How are you guys doing today?
Doing good, here?
Have you been here before?
Yes, ma'am.
Celebrating anything?
Nah, just hungry.
The party is not before.
She didn't grab us no biscuits when she came. She didn't grab no biscuits when she came. Trying to eat.
Yeah. I didn't put my onions on it.
Alright, so listen, y'all. Somehow we just ended up in another store. I know y'all see clothes behind me, but I'm not buying nothing. I'm just window shopping with other people. I don't know why I keep lying to y'all. I'm definitely buying something.